We're going to cover how to start it, a few pointers, and a demonstration of some accessory tips. Run, position for choke, full choke, gas is open, gas is closed. For ignition, some of them have an O and an I. Off, ignition. This is what I would do to every pressure washer. This hose easily can get twisted and wound up, come in contact with this hose melter, which is the exhaust shroud, and it will melt your hose and blow your hose. So what I learned the hard way, and this is what I came up with. I'm going to run the tube through this. I'm just basically kind of getting a measurement. I'm going to go with, that's about 16 inches, I guess. This is long enough to keep that soft hose from contacting this hot shroud. Just clean that up. Run it through. I put a little pressure on this, make sure the O-rings are lined up so that I don't tighten this down and then slice the edge off of the O-ring. You want to always make sure you never start this without the hose on. So I'm going to go turn it on and I'll be right back. This is the quick disconnect. It's fully locked in here. You want to make sure it's fully locked in, because if it's not, and you think it is, and you pull this trigger, that thing is going to shoot like a little rocket, and you'll probably lose it. I'm just letting any air bubbles or anything that's in the line go ahead and just purge through. See there, it's kind of hanging. It's locked in place. Pay particular attention to that water hose. It's got a larger diameter for increased flow. Pressure hose saver. This, I'm not even going to touch it. It's so hot. $299, I'm happy.